Jack Welch, the ex-CEO of General Electric, says, express yourself with frankness. When you express yourself with frankness, what happens is everything operates faster and better. And if you are not frank in expressing yourself, then you block smart ideas, faster action, and good people from contributing the best they have. People, they don't open up and they keep their mouths shut in order to make people feel better and also to avoid conflicts. So they keep a lot of things to themselves. They don't share anything. They hoard information, which is absolutely damaging for a company. Most businesses suffer from lack of frankness. Even in performance appraisal are not given in a frank way. So the result is people don't know what they should do or what they should do to improve and stay ahead in the organization. Finally, frankness is also very crucial for your personal life. So when you are frank with others, you build trust, you build friendships, you build relationships, and you also make strong connections with other people. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.